Let's quickly update the retail price of an item from the purchase order. Go to the price book, then open purchase orders. Find the purchase order that has the item you want to update. In this example, we'll use Bimbo Bakeries. Click the edit button to open the purchase order. Once you're inside the purchase order, find the item row and go to the retail column. Double click the retail price field, enter the new retail price, and make sure the margin updates correctly. Once the price is updated, click Commit PO on the top right. A department summary will appear. Review the cost, retail, and margin, and then click Commit PO again. After committing, you'll return back to the purchase orders page. Now go to the alerts or pending update section, open products, and you'll see the item waiting to be sent to the POS. Select the item and click Send to POS so the new retail price updates on the register. To confirm the change, go to the price book and head over to the products. Search for the item or scan it, and you'll see the updated retail price listed there. And that's it. The retail price has now been updated in the back office and sent to the POS. Also, if the purchase order was already committed and you have paid based on the retail price that is updated, you can just simply reopen the purchase order, update the retail price, and commit it again. But just make sure that you send the product update to the POS after making the changes.